Welcome back, y'all. It is Saturday. Yesterday, Hayden, my cousin, and her husband got in. We went and picked him up around 5 o'clock at the airport. Picked him up and drove straight to a spring. They wanted to see some manatees, so we took them up to Crystal River. We were in the water for about 30 minutes or so, just kind of swimming around, getting a feel for it. It was kind of the new experience for them as far as snorkeling and being in freshwater springs. And probably about 30 minutes in, like I said, there's two manatees that just sort of kind of cruised right by where we were at. After that, we left, went to a couple other springs. One of them ended up being closed, the other one was full, so that was kind of the end of the day. Came back to the house and just kind of relaxed. But today, we are going to go wakeboarding. We're going to try and get out to Egmont, which is an island kind of at the end of Tampa Bay here, and try and spearfish maybe a little bit, but mainly we're just trying to hang out, have a good time, have fun in Florida with kind of the only things to really do is go out on the boat, have a good day. So let's go ahead and get out there. We made it out. It's about 40 minutes from Tampa. Got everybody around. Go do some snorkeling. It's a bunch of caves, so I'll take you through some of that. Slide right there. Having a good time. So let's get in the water. Just hold the mask like this. Just cover your face and fall. Just fall. Attaboy. Just step up, and then there's that little ledge by your left, or by your right knee. That's where we put our foot, yeah. And then step your left foot up onto that. Or just go full on. So this is Egmont, this is the front side. We're in the Tampa Bay right now. And this pretty much sums up Florida for you. You got guys with a hookah bar on the beach over here. Our boat, these guys with these massive boats, blaring country music, hanging out, having a good time. What summer's all about, I feel like. This is so cute. You probably can't understand me because of the wind noise, but we're gonna try and go through the storm. This is not fun anymore! It was supposed to be funny, it's not funny anymore! So we're out of the rain, made the bridge. by lightning. So that's safe. So obviously at this point I'm in Utah, but I just wanted to film like an ending to when Hayden and them were out in Florida. That we got caught in that big storm, but thankfully we made it back okay. Like, it wasn't that big of a deal. I heard on the news that a few people did die in the storm, so it's like, although we were making jokes and like having fun about it, it was actually a pretty serious thing. But we're all good. Everybody's obviously okay because we're here now, quite a bit in the future. But thanks for watching. If you like it, like the video. If you subscribe, I promise I'll keep making these videos. See you around.